Parliament has passed into law the first ever bill proposed by MPs themselves. The Road Traffic Amendment Bill 2020 introduces stiffer punishment for road traffic offenders whose actions lead to the death of an unborn child. This is the first time in history a private member's bill proposed by MPs has been approved by Parliament. All other laws approved by Parliament have come from the President through his ministers. Kumbungu MP Ras Mubarak, Chairman of Parliament's Constitution and Legal Affairs Committee, Ben Abdallah, Majority Leader Osechi Mensah Bonsu, and Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu are the joint proponents of the bill. The Road Traffic Act 2004 specifies sanctions against drivers and cyclists whose actions and inactions result in injury or death to an unborn child in the womb.
Apart from the death or injury caused to the pregnant mother, if a driver or cyclist, motorist, rides or drives recklessly and the unborn child or fetus dies, the person gets punished when found guilty to serve a term of imprisonment of not less than 3 years and not more than 7 years.
And this is aside whatever sanctions will apply.
And this is aside whatever sanctions would apply, aside injury caused to the mother.
There was the discussion around probably introducing a fine apart from the custodial sentence. Did the House agree on anything on that?
Yes, that's because there may be injury and it may not necessarily result in the death of the fetus or unborn child, but it may result in injury. And if it does result in injury, in the spirit of fairness of the law, one would expect that some fine would be imposed based on the magnitude of the injury. I mean, there are instances where pregnant women would be involved in accidents and it will be discovered later that the child, got some form of injury or the other without compensation, without punishment imposed on the driver or the rider who may have caused that accident.
This is the first ever private member's bill from what we are told. How important is this, and what more does it open as far as the nation's legislative activities are concerned?
There is landmark. Never in the history of the Parliament of the Republic of Ghana, especially under the 1992 Constitution, have we seen private members' bills passed. So this is the first. The opportunity it brings is that it opens door for members of Parliament to plug loopholes in existing legislations, and to also introduce new legislation. And for me, that is a lot of powers given to legislators.